Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a Roblox game. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Roblox Creator website. Click the login button and sign in with your alternate account. Next, head over to the Creator Hub and click on Creations. You'll find your games under My Experiences. Hover over the game you want to copy and click the Edit in Studio icon. Wait a moment while Roblox Studio opens. Then you can start making changes and adding models to your game. After adding your models, place them where you want and adjust their size as needed. When you're done, click the play button at the top to preview your game. Please test it out to spot and fix any issues. Once you've finished editing, go to the File menu in the top left corner and choose Save to Roblox. Rename your game, add a description, and hit Save. To publish a copy of your game, go back to the File menu and select Publish to Roblox As. Choose the new game, and you'll see two options. Select Add as a new place, then click Overwrite. Refresh the Roblox Creator website, and you'll see the new copy of your game. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.